Somebody tip it over here, alright? Oh.
Everything is nice, and they do it right. And everybody here is waiting for the $1 million jackpot number to come up, man. And you know, there's a lot of sincere confused about just what the doctor said.
To the head, the new June moon soon on a blue lagoon shoe as doom zooms in on a platoon.
Too much too soon.
Sniper relief, swipe him off the street on this type of heat beat. Stranger on a solo, Miss Flow, Dolo, paid. Played the position by the pole's glow. Heard it on the TV promo. Swear it ain't me in the PE logo. Remote control in his overcoat polo. Going for broke, get the dough, float on the go-go. Hopes and praise out of phase with the straight through the middle cruise. Hate the new riddle, too late, too little. Operation Doomsday complete. On Jump Street, dump the heat.
Wanna know who's gonna take the responsibility, nigga?
Bill, one shot, one kill. Spotted him, got his off the top, done deal. Spill your guts, they said the Don dead good. You could ask a Dread in your hood or John Edward. The truth is in the verse, not on the bottle bottom. Black devils is the worst, first you gotta spot them. They ain't never get stuck on their boats. And don't give a fuck if you get near votes. At most you may exchange pleasantries. Really don't go for the sex change energies. Or Ben and Jerry's berries. Friends who make the 10 fairies who take men's cherries. Just don't boycott his shit. The fake First Amendment falls to plot mischievous midget.
Yeah, test it 1 2 1 2. Test it 1 2. Yeah. 1 2. I live the life of Sonny Carson. Favorite slacks with the baby blue knitted sawskins. Custom made like the ace of spades. Switching robes when I leave the forum. In the sleeve is the classic gauge. Russian cut, mustard handle. About the same size, a little tight Sean with his Nikes on. Still blam you, vamp you. Blowing homos out they sandals. Leave your brain all chunky like I'm advertising soup and candles. Bow-legged old men give me props. All I do is bomb a bottle, hit them off like peace pops. Fish scale got the streets hot. All you gotta do is go on the road with Dipset, Ray and D-Block, and that's how we take New York back. Yeah, flexing the pit bulls, heavy hitters, K-Slate, absolute. Carmelo Lantin, load the wax up, cock and shoot. Cypher Sales, DJ Clue, every next fat leader. Flipping niggas, we cash rule. Relax, dude, got the Bill's funerals. That's what cash do. Come around here, frontin' with splash you. Stab down the murder goons, cousin we scratch you. Heard some Some of y'all singing like Lou Rawls. Try to fuck me, you gon' suffer from blue balls. Tones of karate champ, shoddy champ. You period niggas be spotting with bad cramps. Intestines looking like chitlins. All we need is hot sauce. My pork eaters gon' get rid of them. Kites and death threats, y'all keep sending them. For every dart you throw, my last one's killing them. Like cancer patients in the process, losing their hair. You'll be fighting for life, scratching and gagging, panicking, gasping for air. Suffocating from no-win syndrome like somebody cut the neck of a deer. It's algebra in the third. Alfalfa with the gun to the rascal. Jessica Alba's one of my birds. Plus Alka-Seltz slow on the birds. Out to melt your brain cells like alien herb. We the break flipping niggas with cash flow. Relax, go Dr. Bill's funerals. That's what cash that black. Come around here frontin' with splashing. Stab down the murder goes cousin with scratching. Get lost in my hood, it's like you lost in Elmira. You might get poked up, smoked up, throat cut. Rockin' them little fly chains, get yoked up. Y'all boys type niggas, y'all just cold cuts. Victims of nighttime street horror, going home with casualties. The 12 gauge blew off half of your knee. That's what happens in war. When the high heaters don't eat, we creep. Our stomach growls loud, so we don't sleep, don't eat. Won't speak, we them grill niggas, we smoke beef.
Oh fuck, you good? Damn.
I'm waiting.